Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. The PSK, or Personal Survival Kit, is my translation of that. Pretty common, but all different. And now you can buy them, they're a dime a dozen. If you go on any of Amazon, wherever, and look up survival kits, you can find them already made. And some of them have super great bits and bobs in them. I try to put mine together with things that I know the performance of. And this really would, if it had to be a standalone thing, I could trust myself with this, because this is only going to be as good as your skills, as much as you know. And hopefully it would be in a combination with a decent fixed blade. And I have some stuff that always lives in my pocket too. So this would just lend to a good fixed blade, or like a Swiss Army knife, Farmer X. And you're all entitled to your favorite pocket knife, but I think this guy, in combination with the way that I can handle it, I trust myself with this and it with myself. So this is not something where I would just grab this and say, all right, well, I'm just going out and this is what I'm going to use. No, this would be, and is, the only kit in all of my stuff. And I've done all kind of kits. I mean, I got 9 million of them, depending on what I want to do when I go out, or what I want to practice, how I want to do it. And all those kits are pre-built. They're made so I don't have to swap anything around. Well, in a survival situation, something's going to be wrong. I'm not going to have that stuff. Something's going to happen. There's so many different variables in that. It's hard to practice for all of them. But this is one that goes from bag to bag. Or say if me and my buddy Wash are like, hey man, let's go on a canoe trip, or if we're going to kayak or whatever, this is something that I would keep with me all the time. So it'd be in a pocket, or I made it, this is how I put it together to ride with the rest of my gear. So it's 3 large Ranger bands. Then it is approximately 5 foot of high-vis paracord with the reflective filament in it. And I've made it so I can put this over my shoulder, kind of like a sling bag, against my body. So like this. And if I needed to, I could put a jacket on over it. I could wear it like this. Put it in my pocket, however, but I can put it in things in case I need it. And if I was gonna, if it was a long, depending on how we were gonna do it, most of our float trips are single day stuff most of the time, and we stop halfway just to play. But you could make it out in a day if you were pressed for time. You could get out. I would put this on and put my life jacket over the top of it, depending on where I was. Or I would put this on and put a jacket on, and then, or a long sleeve shirt. I got those SPF hoodies. I would put this under my SPF hoodie on the front of my body, and I would just put my life jacket under some shock cord on the kayak and ride like that. I know it's not a good idea, but that's how I roll anyway, especially when it's 9 million degrees outside. Anyway, Contents, super simple. And again, let's put this dude out here because I'm hoping with this that I have one of these, any type of flavored one that you want. I have a glow nut on my zipper pull. Oops, sorry. So inside here we have a small fire kit. It's got some fire plugs and some glow lights, glow sticks in there. We have a small tube of brass wire. We have a whistle and a light. We have a pre-rigged fishing line on a spool. It's got the hook and weight and all on there. We have a water bag from Wazoo Survival Gear, so it's got some water purification tablets in here and a bag and a couple of Ranger bands. The bag is an oven bag, so you could actually boil water in it if you wanted to. I have a ceramic scraper, cutter, and a ferro rod. And actually, I need to take this off and put some shock cord on it. In here, we have a Mylar blanket, emergency blanket. I have a couple fire cards from Wazoo. I have a signal mirror and one of the small multi-card strikers that I made for the Wazoo survival belt. It's just small and fits good in there. We have another hardware tube that has braided fishing line in it. A blob of good waxed bank line. So this is the good stuff that sticks together. We have our hardware tube, and it has 3 hooks, 3 weights, 2 small safety pins, and a sewing needle in it. We've got a hank of about 400-pound Technora line. Then we have a little backup blade, and I have this dude on a small necklace with a Wazoo ferro rod toggle and a small piece of bicycle inner tube on a Wanger aphid. And it's just a backup. See this story time, this center hole here that's kind of shiny? I used it for a bearing block for a bow drill fire a long time ago. Pretty cool. And then all of this goes in the pocket pouch from Tough Possum Gear. And all I did was just add the large lanyard on there just to give me a decent piece of paracord if I needed it, and a way to hold it across my body. Like I said, it can also be put in a pocket. There's so many different ways of doing things, but I could address immediate needs with this and limp my way out of a situation if I had to. But like I said, there's so many scenarios trying to prepare for something. It's tough to say what all you would need, really. I mean, there's so many different things that can happen. But being half-assed prepared, especially with a Mylar blanket and a way to start fire and a fishing kit, is probably going to be pretty high on my list of things that I would want to be able to do pretty quick. That would be things that I could control core body temperature with, or make me a shelter, or I boil some water depending on the way the temperature is. It gets pretty hot down here, and drinking swamp water will give you the pretty funky guts. But if I just need to drink the water, I'm gonna drink the water. If I have a destination in sight and I think I can get there in just a couple days, then I could eat fish if I needed to. It's going to be aquatic food stuff. It's going to be pretty easy to maintain some sort of calorie intake with, I think. And a lot of this would happen on some sort of trip around the water, in what I do anyway. But that is my basics. PSK for an emergency. It's pretty simple. Packs up pretty small, and I have used all of this stuff before, so I'm familiar with the way everything functions on here. And the only thing that could possibly be new would be if I had a different fixed blade, but I would be pretty comfortable with that anyway, just because I use a bunch of fixed blades. But there it is, my PSK, guys. They're all different. Make one that fits your needs and your plan. Anywho, just wanted to share. Appreciate the support. Later.